doing? I hope you guys are doing great. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to wrap your baby using this Leso or an African fabric. Yes. So I'm also a learner. I've been wrapping her, but I just learned how to do it. So I'm also going to show you how you can do it. It used to be a challenge for me, but right now I think, yeah, I'm almost perfecting. Not yet too perfect, but this is just how you're going to do it. And you're going to put the baby on the waist, and then take your lasso, wrap it on her. You don't trust me, mama. So make sure this part, this corner and this corner, you can hold it. So the thing is for you to hold the two corners like that. Can you cooperate, mama? So there's this corner and this corner and this corner and this corner. I can see them. And then put it on your shoulder like that. My baby wants to pull my hair. At the back, make sure the bam is in here on the lasso. Take this other side as well. Mommy, remove your hands. And then put her on top like that. Pull her. Why are you smiling? Why are you smiling, mama? Why are you smiling? Make sure this part is tight. The most important thing, make sure the baby is in this lasso. And then you're good to go. Say hi, mommy's friends. Hi, mommy's friends. Hello. Hello. Just make sure you practice and make sure you perfect it, because also you don't want to, it's your baby might fall. So just be sure of what you're doing. Make sure the baby is tucked in the lasso, and then this part is tight. Make sure it's tight. And you can always also put the baby in front like this, and you can do your house chores. It's very, very simple, guys. I've also been practicing a couple of days right now, and I think I'm almost perfect. So guys, that was it for today. Just comment down below if this is helpful, and yeah, also just remember, just be careful. Make sure this part right here, the knot is tight and the baby is tucked in very well on the bam. Say bye, mommy's friends. Bye. See you in my next video, guys. Bye. Mwah.